In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video we are going to discuss lecture number 4. Chapter 1 of Computer Science for 9th class. So, stay with us. Today's topic is Pascal's Pascaline calculator. This is the picture of Pascal's Pascaline calculator. This is a machine having system of gears. A 1-tooth gear must make 10 revolutions to rotate the 10-tooth gear once. Numbers are entered and cumulative sum is obtained by cranking a handle. This machine was not a commercial success. More accurate and reliable machine was produced by von Leibniz. Please provide your kind feedback in comments below this video. Your suggestions will be highly appreciated. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.